Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The world of photography is always abuzz with excitement whenever a new camera release is on the horizon. Among the most eagerly awaited cameras, the Fujifilm X-E5 has been a hot topic in the photography community. With numerous rumors, leaks and speculation circulating, enthusiasts are wondering whether this camera will revolutionize the market or simply be another incremental update in Fujifilm's illustrious lineup. In this in-depth analysis, we'll break down all the leaked details, expected specs, pricing, and release date to determine whether the X-E5 will be worth the wait. The legacy of the Fujifilm X-E series. To understand where the X-E5 fits in, we must first look at the lineage of the X-E series. Fujifilm's X-E cameras have long been praised for their compact rangefinder-style bodies, offering a balance between portability and advanced imaging capabilities. The X-E1 debuted as a budget-friendly yet powerful alternative to the flagship X Pro series, and with each iteration, Fujifilm has refined its features and performance. The X-E4, released in 2021, was particularly well received for its sleek design, improved autofocus, and impressive image quality, making it a favorite among street photographers and travel enthusiasts. The X-E5 has some big shoes to fill, but if Fujifilm continues its tradition of innovation, it could be a game-changer in the APS-C mirrorless market. What to expect from the Fujifilm X-E5? The excitement surrounding the X-E5 has only grown as more leaks emerge. Photographers are eager to see what enhancements this new model will bring, and based on Fujifilm's recent technological advancements, we can make some educated predictions. The X-E5 is rumored to feature 40MP X-Trans 5HR sensor. Borrowing from the high-end X-H2, this sensor would offer incredible detail and resolution, ideal for professional work. X-Processor 5. Faster processing means improved autofocus, better noise reduction, and enhanced overall performance. Enhanced Hybrid Viewfinder. A higher resolution OLED viewfinder for sharper, more immersive shooting. 4K video at 60 frames per second. This upgrade makes the X-E5 a solid choice for hybrid shooters who need high-quality video recording. New film simulations. Fujifilm is expected to introduce fresh film simulation modes that expand creative possibilities for photographers. Improved ergonomics and design. While retaining its classic retro aesthetics, the X-E5 may offer a more comfortable grip and refined button layout. Better battery life. Longer shooting sessions without constantly swapping batteries. Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Faster wireless file transfers and improved remote shooting capabilities. These rumored specs suggest the X-E5 will be a significant step up from its predecessor, offering meaningful improvements for both photography and video work. Pricing and release date. The Fujifilm X-E5 is expected to be officially announced in possible release in 2025. Pricing is anticipated to be in the $1,100 to $1,300 range, making it a competitive option for those seeking a high-performance APS-C mirrorless camera without breaking the bank. Should you wait for the X-E5 or buy another Fujifilm camera? While the X-E5 looks promising, there are already excellent Fujifilm cameras available that might meet your needs. Here are some alternatives worth considering. Fujifilm X-H2S. A hybrid shooter's dream with lightning-fast autofocus and superb video capabilities. Fujifilm X-T5. A versatile APS-C powerhouse that excels in still photography. Fujifilm X100V. Perfect for street photography with its compact form factor and stunning image quality. Fujifilm GFX 100S. For those who want to step into medium format photography, offering unparalleled dynamic range and detail. Final thoughts. Is the Fujifilm X-E5 worth the hype? The Fujifilm X-E5 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mirrorless cameras in its category. With an expected high-resolution sensor, enhanced video capabilities, and classic Fujifilm aesthetics, it could be the perfect blend of modern innovation and timeless design. However, for those who can't wait until 2025, Fujifilm's current lineup already offers some fantastic options. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest tech and photography news. Let me know in the comments, are you excited for the Fujifilm X-E5, or do you have your eyes on another camera? See you in the next video.